Hi everyone, Karen here. Look, I just thought I'd do a quick little video to walk you through how to find the Collaborate sessions so that when we have a live Collaborate session you're able to not only go in and participate and be active and listen to what we have to say, but also if you happen to have missed a session, where to find the recording so that you can look at them in your own time or play them over and over again. Okay, so here we are on a home page. If you then click on the Collaborate button here, it will take us to a new screen. And this is a fairly standard screen that you'll see for most of the units you're going to be studying. Now, we only use the one Collaborate room or the one Collaborate session for each unit. So for this unit INF 1003, we use the same session for every Collaborate session that we run in this unit. The reason being is it's far easier for you guys to be able to just know the one place that you need to go into, rather than getting lost and going into the wrong room and then missing out on some of the valuable information. So the way that you get into the Collaborate room when we run these sessions is you go over here to the right hand side and select the button that says Get Secure Link. So you click on that and it creates this drop down option which is Join Course Room. If we click on that, then it's going to take us into a room. The first time you go in, you'll be given the option to put your name in. Please put your name in because it does make it much easier when we are corresponding with you. So if you typed a question, then we can direct the question straight back at you, and you know that we're actually answering your specific question. Sometimes you get a little message saying it's taking a while to load into the system. That can happen if there's a lot of people trying to load in at the same time. You'll see here that I'm joining in. This is going to be an empty room. So the reason being is that I'm just doing this recording to show you how to get there, so I'm not actually expecting anyone to be in there. But when you log in, either the unit coordinator or one of the other ELAs will generally be in the room, and we will have put up the slides, the PowerPoint presentation that we're going to be using. If you happen to get this screen here, it just means that you've got in before us. So we do try to get in 10-15 minutes before everyone else, just so that we can do sound testing and mic testing so that we're all ready to go at the start time. Okay, so that's how you get into the room, nice, quick and easy. So I'm just going to shut that out, and you can see that actually when I hit into the Join the Room, it actually created a new tab for me, which makes it really easy when I want to get out of this and I haven't lost my original tab where it would have come from. So for purposes of getting out of the Collaborate room, it's just a matter of shutting that window down and then you're out. Now, if you happen to have missed a session or you have watched the original Collaborate session and then want to go back and re-listen to something or work through an exercise that we may have gone through, whatever the case may be, then you'll want to have a look at one of our recordings. So to do that, you go over here onto the left-hand side of the sessions box, and you'll see that there are these three parallel lines. So if you click on that, this is our menu item, and you can see that it brings us we have the options of sessions and recordings. So we've just been in the sessions section, so now we're going to the recordings. Now again, we won't have any recordings here because this little video has been done prior to us actually conducting any recordings. But what you would normally have here is the most recent recording that has occurred, as long as it's fallen within the past 30 days. Now, quite often you'll want to go back and have a look at a previous recording that might be outside of those 30 days, perhaps when you're doing a revision, getting ready for your final assessments and the like. So we might need to go back prior to those 30 days or to find a specific one. So what we need to do is we go over here where it says Recent Recordings, and you can see that there's a little drop-down menu here. If we click on that little arrow, we've got the choice of Recent Recordings, which is the page we're currently on, or we can go Recordings in a date range. So if we click on that, then this enables us to then define the date parameters for the recordings that would have already occurred. Just something to note is that this uses the American format for dates, so it starts with the month, then the day, then the year. So what I would generally suggest is set the start date to sometime prior to the period of the unit starting, or prior to the teaching period starting, and that ensures that you get all of the recordings for this teaching period up and available and easy to select from. Well, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to post up onto your forums. As ELAs, we love answering any questions you have, and we're more than happy to provide you with guidance. Thanks everyone, and enjoy your time. Bye.